City Beauty began in 2002 as an e-commerce brand with a single product, City Lips, our best-selling plumping gloss. Each shade, including our most popular Clear, is designed to deliver deep hydration. It helps create a visible volumizing effect within minutes while softening the look of lip lines and wrinkles. Our formula contains the main ingredient used in today's most popular lip treatments, hyaluronic acid. We precision-engineered this natural ingredient into tiny microspheres that your lips can absorb topically for a gorgeous, plump look that never goes out of style. And to keep your lips looking smooth and youthful each day, we added oligopeptides to support collagen levels and help soften the appearance of lines. Soon enough, City Lips earned the prestigious Good Housekeeping Award, and as word spread, it quickly grew a cult following, making a name for City Beauty. Before long, this popular lip treatment was featured on networks like ABC and Fox, and has remained a fan favorite for years.
They're very hydrating and very moisturizing, lasted really long. There's no burning or any irritation for my lips, which is great.
It is a lip plumper that doesn't feel like a lip plumper. I don't get that tingly feeling that's super annoying, and it plumps them just enough.
I definitely feel my lips getting plumper. This is definitely the best lip plumper I've ever tried.
So I've been wearing this for a few days, and I do love the way it feels. I think it's really good.
Since the launch of City Lips, we've been driven to create more exciting solutions to target a wide range of aging concerns, with our customers as the inspiration behind each new innovation. User group trials and individualized surveys give us deeper insight into our customers' specific skin needs, while scientific research helps us find the cutting-edge ingredients that will provide them both instant and lasting results. With this, we're able to create the high-quality skin products we're known for today.